Yeah man, countryman. I call on behalf of a man that get shot in him back. He's a taxi driver, you know, and a man come charter me. Say now collect a money from somebody who Portmore. Boy, at first never have this experience like this. Never know say police are so wicked. You see, you know, see me drive and I carry the man on the charter. I go Portmore and the man light one chalice in the car for me. I started to smoke, you know, I just said to the man, say, oh big man, you cannot smoke in the car, because the vehicle is the public passenger vehicle, and me no smoke. Now I'm not drinking, better you make me find somewhere and stop, so you can smoke. So the man agree and say, right, then find somewhere and stop, come here to go smoke me thing, you know. I have to roll my local vibes. Yeah, so now I go so bam now and pull up on the roadway, stop somewhere on the roadway. And then it's like the man step out of the vehicle and I watch the man and the man come out of the vehicle. So I see him go on light post and the man shut a piece. Then the man go sit down on the sidewalk and on light post, you know. You see me? It was a bright and a bright morning, like say the street light bulb them made the hands see me, so you know say it never well bright out yet. But the whole place bright up and short with it there. All of a sudden, but long story short, all of a sudden, when we look now, we just see one private motor vehicle just swing on the corner and a man in it. The driver exit, him alone in the vehicle. The man exit out of the vehicle and come out with a long magazine and go and run over to me. I say, boy, police, come out of the car and stick me up. So you see the man now, whichever passenger where did travel with me when me stop to make him smoke. Him sit down on the sidewalk and smoke good and see somebody stick me up crossway on the other side of the road. So him get up off the sidewalk and start to run because he might good eye. So somebody to himself say, well that person good all be gunman. So the man take himself now and start run go down the road. So as soon as me open the door and I come out to the man and stick me up and I say police now. The man leave me alone and start to run down the man, which are the passenger. Where the inner the car was sitting on the side of the smoke and rolling down and go down the road. Boy, lick 2 shots on him. So me see the man a pitch over now and drop a gun now. Me run back to the vehicle now. Man, boy, half of me too down the road because that time they made there to look a distance from him now. But anyway, God just step on my side and the shot where him lick off of me, no catch me. But me take myself to the car. Take myself and over the which part of the incident happened. And I try go in search of the passenger now, like to try to find him family member them and find out what really are going on because at first something like this could have ever happen, you know. So me I just think to myself, so then I wonder if a gunman or other man they will come like him about would say police. But me look at him waist, me see about 3 other his magazine there on him waist. On him belt. So me just somebody say the man about a police issue because the man resemble one regular policeman over 100 man station when he Sergeant Walters. He resemble Mr. Walters, the man who stick me up and say police say boy come out of the car. Yeah. Yes, I think I tell the policeman there resemble the police name Sergeant Walters. How me get to pick up back in face to see me. But I tell you, go down back to Mr. Walters. How me get to pick up back Mr. Walters' face now. Then now, see when I take myself out of the scene, and I still come my yard, so I tell my brother about what go on. Say, you know, say a man charter me, but I put over to pick up my money. And while somebody tell him, see the man in my vehicle want smoke and light up a chalice for me, and I have to stop somewhere with the man smoke. And a man drive around for me, in a private motor vehicle. And I say, police, I with a long magazine and him gun. So I tell my brother about the incident now. So my brother say, I don't know, something like that for him. So I say to him, say, you know, so the man get shot to me already. So my brother said to me, say, you sure so the man get shot? After him hear shot of fire, he must have drop himself and go like he get shot and the man catch him. Man, the man no get no shot, man. The man just drop himself and go. And I go like he get shot and he will get covered and run off of the scene and run gone. So I say, anyway, you know, so the man the charter me already go downtown. Down at the parish church downtown now. So I tell my brother now, so now, they'll go back down at the parish church downtown because the man the charter me already and said, a man down at the parish church, his brother left for money. With the man over the parish church, you give him, so he won't come up on a charter and the man tell me say, you can't run out.
Yes, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Let me explain to you what's going on right here. Now, the person speaking in this is the witness, which is a taxi operator. He brought this man here on a charter ride. This man here light up a chalice or a spliff in the car, and the taxi operator pull over so the man can smoke. Apparently they pulled over in front of some kind of car mart, and while the guy was there smoking and the taxi operator in his car, a man drive up on them with a gun, long extension, and say police, and start fire to move towards the young man smoking. Him run, he was shot in his back by the person, and he was also arrested and charged for I think attempted robbery and some shooting, some other stuff. So now the taxi man, he went to Indicom and a whole bunch of things happened. When he went to 100-man police station, he's saying they're telling him that he was shot by a witness, by a civilian, and Indicom told him the same thing. And he said no, the man that shot him was a police. They're saying no, it's the owner of the business place shot him. And pretty much it's just one big confusion. The taxi man also said that when he went to 100-man police station, he noticed that the man that was out there is a police. I think he said Mr. Walters, don't quote me on that, but he did mention it in this. And it seems like he was saying the owner of the place work with the police them. So all of this happened over there in Portmore, the 100-man police jurisdiction. Sit back and listen to what this witness saying with Indicom, 100-man police station, and the whole Jamaica system in terms of justice. It's, you know, the system broken, but at the same time, I am not gonna knock the police them, because stuff goes through the cracks, you know, but certain things them can fix, and stuff like this definitely need fixing. So may I ask the police them to step up, because up to now this young man is in jail, and I am still having a problem knowing what this man actually charged with and actually what's going on. And I'm laughing, but it's not funny. There is going to be a part 3, because this young man have a brother, and I think his brother wants to make a speech and say something to the public too. So sit back and listen to the rest of the witness talk about the ordeal.
We need to go to police station and go to Indicom. But anyway, in go to Spanish Town Hospital for check, for find out based on his brother, him get information by a phone call. Like his brother must beg one of the other sick people over there on the bed too. One of the same ward. He tell himself to make a phone call, he tell him brother say he get shot and him get on ward 1 at Spanish Town Hospital. So his brother get real information now. So at Spanish Town Hospital in there. So when the brother go over there now, and go for move like him out visiting, then back him off over there and tell him say him on the police guard, so he can't talk to him. You understand, him on the police guard, so check with 100-man police them. So brother left from this and go a 100-man police station, the hospital. Left from the hospital now, over Spanish Town Hospital and go a 100-man station for the check up on him brother. Then now them a tell him say our policeman when named Salman have the case as the investigator in the shooting incident. So he get to talk to Salman now. So when the man brother get to talk to Salman now. Salman make him man brother know that say you know say he's a lies fire mola shot him. You understand? And I say like a shootout. So I say no man, no so it can be shootout. Me have the number for the taxi man who carry my brother on the chart. You know, no possible no shootout. And my brother, the taxi man tell me say the man run on him say police and stick up the taxi man. And that my brother see where I go and start run. See a man sticking up and start run. And then shut him man, you know. So you the investigate over there now, William Salman, you know. Give the man brother in personal number and tell him about say something can work out. Make me, which are the taxi man, come to him to come record statement. No go some man. I lie the taxi man I tell. I lie the fire mola shoot the brother and then see a shoot out. And tell furnish back to the man brother now. Mr. Johnson brother. Now with that information. So when Mr. Johnson brother come back to me now. And so now we decide so we are going to go in the come because I lie them and tell and none of lies the fire mola. Because the man will stick up me say police. You see me? So when we go in the come now for the lodge, me and him brother now truck now go for in the come now for the lodge statement now. Decide now, like we said, it's something I go on. Fictitiously I go on now. All the amount about the lies the fire mola shoot the man. And the man will stick me up say police. And the man have 2 long magazine or 3 long magazine for him belt. And him in a plain clothes. And him have a long magazine in a film gun to see me. And him end up shot the man and talk about a shootout. What kind of shootout? I lie them and tell. About no shootout. Me willing to go in the come and go a police station now, go lodge complaint. As so now me I think about the police have inspector now. So because me I think now to myself now, say now, them I try to fabricate up some form of statement now. And I try to go cover the person who shot the man and call for now. And the police look like a police shot the man now, so they try to put a lice fire mola in place. Like we say now, it's a lice fire mola to be shooting. And I try to cook up the story to try to get away. You understand? To see a lice fire mola to be shooting now. So I'm going to Indicom now and I tell Indicom what I go on now. I explain to Indicom what I go on now. Indicom now go on the carpet now. Then we stop the voice note and do the voice note in our part. Come and want a car go come in and copy the voice note. So I'm going to Indicom as I tell you. So I'm going to Indicom now the statement. Me and the man brother now go down in the come see because we still a follow. So know what really go on. All the matter about tell lie about a shootout. So me go in the come now to tell the truth what happened in a shooting incident now. Knowing that say me know say the man get shot you know. And everything. So God past a stage now, so we know say the man get shot. And like said, a man does come stick with and a fire warning shot. You understand?
Before we get into the video, I want to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go.
And then nobody never shot nobody and gone. Yeah, so when we go Indicom now, yeah, Indicom out tell me now, so now, them contact with, so me the Indicom now, one Miss Judith Jones now work at Indicom now. The telephone number to the police officer, we give brother, can be have a dialogue with the policeman now when he Salman over the station. Them time there, where Salman give him personal number and tell him say to give me to come give him statement. So me give him become Salman number now, the number where Salman give him now to tell him and give them the statement now originally based on what go on. So me I say to myself, say any statement what Salman want from me or the investigator they want from me over Portmore in relation in this shooting incident, I go and give it to Indicom because this man here will stick me up, will shoot Mr. Jones, will shoot your brother. Him say police and the gun when him have resemble a police gun, but it look like a police to me in a plain clothes. So when me go Indicom now for this statement now, Indicom I make you know say them contact now by the telephone number or furnish them with to go over 100-man station and 100-man station tell them say it's a license fire bowler. Do the shooting. So the person who do the shooting is not a police. So I said, oh, stick me past the police. So how not take talk from police when you should have record the statement from me so because that simple mean to me say when I work with police, you go take word amount from police. If a normal civilian just walking out on the place, who is up against police and who normal investigate police and do investigation. So I make you know that take my statement from me, record my statement from me, and then go in investigation in the matter. And then upon investigation now, you discover that now by a ballistic evidence, is this lice fire molder has done the shooting. So we can't do no further investigation in the matter now. Because we is higher than the police. So you that park the police them investigation and taking over the investigation from them, knowing that you get a statement from me, which is a civilian also. In the shooting incident, and I would have been there as a witness. So my statement would have important. So when you discover by a ballistic now, say the person who is sticking up and ball about police is a license fire molder now. Then you should have hand over the case file back to the police then now because that out of hand now. So as so you supposed to wash your hand from it now. Because you would have a ballistic proof say the man will shot the man. Shot the man is not a police and you can't investigate a civilian. So me that look forward now because it's like me I study the law and me have some idea based on how things supposed to be going. So me that look now for Indicom now and over the case file now back to the police them now and after they get a ballistic evidence to prove that now say it's a civilian shot the man. So a police have to do the investigation now. So they would have hand over the case file back to Salman them now and Salman then continue with the investigation from there. So me think say so it's supposed to go. So me no see things that go them refuse to take the statement from me them and Indicom. And then now, so me go to the police of inspectorate now and go to the police of inspectorate now and give a statement there where Indicom never want to take from me. So me record the statement from Indicom now. Where the record the statement now where Indicom refuses to take from me now. Initially now. Because the police of inspectorate and lodge the complaint now. So me lodge the complaint now. Long story short again now. Me get my receipt and get a copy of the statement to me, you know. So we furnish them with the same number when we investigate over 100-man station. Yeah, so even the same statement when we go to give the police of inspector, they're supposed to give me a result of the investigation based on the statement when we go to give them.
Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go.
Because if media statement and you go in investigation now matter, you're supposed to come back now and come furnish me with what the result of the investigation when you go do at the police of inspectorate to see me. So the police are link up with them running there and I'm going to be a corruption in the system because I know them can't give me a report based on that investigation now. Because if you go do a ballistic now and you're supposed to get the copy of the ballistic and everything's supposed to confirm where the man gone, where they shooting. You see? So everything is supposed to connect back. Because remember say nothing beat the truth and the whole truth. So if you are telling the truth, the ballistic supposed to confirm with the man where they do shooting. You understand? video evidence them supposed to show that. Say, yes, so. So you go talk about your business place, you in your statement, and go put that in a quote. Business. And say how you for your business place the shooting go on. When you're shooting the go on there so. And then you tell lie now about the man run go collapse 100 feet away from your business place. When I right over there so, which part you come stick me up. About 100 feet away from your business place needed there. From government road where you come over there with gun, come stick me up. And call for. And run on the man and shoot the man. And lawfully, and I tell lie now about a shootout. Some of yours spend case in a year bullet supposed to, the doctor them supposed to get back your bullet. Everything is supposed to confirm if a man is alive if I am older. So it's supposed to match up. So the police of inspector is supposed to give him back a same copy and say ballistic evidence collected matches this man your gun. This lies if I am man your gun. So regardless the man did about police, I impersonate him, did I impersonate police. Them supposed to give me that enough for them report now. To comfort my brain now. To say I impersonate the man did I impersonate police. And it would have been unlawful for him left 100 feet away from field business place and nobody now rob him. And just come shot man so. So the man they were named Mr. Forrester, they need to investigate him based on the statement when he said he was going to work. What kind of work in Midago? You know, he said, look at a 100-man station in Midago. He might go to work and him stop to check on his business place. So I pass him a pass like him living in the same vicinity or in business place. Out there so. And him look now and him see the man, them sit down on the sidewalk, I smoke now, comfortable and just come stick with him. So the man they look like he's a police with you. And the same blood with Sergeant Walters. That to show the corruption of the police, the man and thief and lie. You see me? He connect back with me now for proof so the man they are police. The work when me go a 100-man station, he go to work. But he just a pass and fast and see them man sit down on the sidewalk and a car just park up. So he just feel like he go abuse them authority, but stick up them man you know, find out what they worry about, what they purpose and reason when they are. And through the man I run now, him just abuse them authority and shot the man. And I tell lie now about a shootout and just go give one lies if I am all of the shooting. To cover himself now. You understand that them doing you know? And clearly I watch them and I see that them doing you. But me not afraid of them a bomb cloth, you know. Countryman. I don't afraid of them a ras cloth. Because ignorance against the law is no excuse. So me is like a man like Marcus Garvey. You understand? Because some remit at the country, the law is there, need to take its course. Rules and laws and regulation that to be kept. You understand? So the police is not the law, the police is there to uphold the law. So the police should prove to me now, say no, the work with them do, them there for justice and them supposed to serve and protect. Because what kind of serve police and serve and protect when they realize now, say no, a businessman come tell me lie. Claim to say for instance, there's a businessman do the shooting. Another man they do the shooting. Our man can come do a shooting and shot a man and tell you say he walk down 25th Avenue and you know do that as an investigator and go back and lock up him rats clock now like to say well I lie this boy I tell you now, you come tell me now say you shoot man and you come tell me in a statement about you walk down 25th Avenue. Just show me how you can walk down 25th Avenue. A jail you go. And worse enough no from a video evidence over your business place. So show me the man them. Show me the man them on the same date and time when you shot the man them. Show me the shooting when you shot the man over your business place. All of the shooting you're supposed to show. Where will you fire your gun and you shoot the man them and the man with the prohibited weapon based on your statement. So Pierre Fictus, I can't bull story this year tell me say you need to go to jail. I mean need to put you on identification period. I mean the man come find you out to see me. And your ballistic have to prove have a match with your gun in the shooting will take place on the scene. Based on the spent case in them when me come pick up. So you can't tell me no fuck about no as no investigator. Cause me is a lawman and me stand up for justice. And me there to serve and protect. So you can't tell me no fuck and make me go lock up the man. So based on your statement when you tell me what you walk down 25th Avenue, that alone when you tell me about walk down 25th Avenue. So if that investigator is going investigation and no matter, he would have said 25th Avenue is a dead end. I realize you lied, man, I tell you. Yeah, so you get to understand, say that investigator with him, Salman over so. Him and them cook up them story and the whole of them is together and them are work with them and people know people and them are work with them and but me don't see them make up already and don't know what one. So the real thing you know, when them don't know, them are hide the man and have Zoom quote. Have the man for Zoom quote and talk about matter still they are mentioned. The matter not reach trial yet because file incomplete. Them not get no ballistic yet if you put on the file. If you can't go to court, so that means me can come in as a defense witness now, a potential defense witness in the matter, because I was there and I am also being a victim in the case. So meaning if you come tell the judge what transpire and the scene and what go on and who me see. Because, but I know me know you them catch the lies the fire more there and lock him up based on the statement where him give and put him on an identification parade now for me if you come find him out. But through a Sergeant Walters now shot the man now. Cause that me get the summons from what go on now, say a Sergeant Walters now which are the police shot the man and based on them go tell lie and go put the man there now for identification parade. Them should have put him for identification parade to make me come find him out now. And that the police of the inspectorate supposed to do. Cause them say I be a cock and bull story I go on here, sir. Cause the man come give statement, which is me, come give statement. So we can have him as a suspect. Cause him go all of them entity and him tell be people who are going so there is no way this man could have no shoot out with nobody and come tell nobody the war go on. And we don't even have the man license plate number and the man drive off of the scene. Over from the business place and they in the writing of the portfolio there, sir. So how the man license plate number go? And when you can't tell me how the man license plate number go and the man return back. So how the man are going to shoot up people and involved in an illegal activity where that is concerned and still make himself available to come to the police of inspector and go and in the come to go on the statement. So it look to me like I'm more true the people who talk and want to come here with no cock and bull story and tell me an answer story. So the police of inspector for lock up them ass, you know too. So me look out for them, we can lock up them ass, you know, and keep put them on identification parade and them still now call me. So when me want to do the man need to come out of jail budget. And them need to release the man and drop the charges them against the man. Because I pay a lie them I tell. And that's unlawful to lock up a man in a jail, tell lie on him, shot him in his back and tell lie on him. And put him in a jail. The man need to come out of custody at the police. So we need some justice right you know. So we are going to go to the public defender too. Go lodge a report based on this incident will happen. And tell him say me now get no justice. And go to Ministry of Justice. Go lodge a report to pan them to see me. So me not getting any justice where this is concerned. Because I'm going to give police statement and them now give me the result of the statement. They might tell me a cock and bull story and I have the man on Zoom something so the judge can't even get to see me. I know them not tell the judge that say there is a witness in the matter you and the witness is present every time and always there so. And I make himself available. He and Nancy story you and so we want you to talk to the witness. So them hide the man now in the system and I tell me lie now about me need to wait until matter reach trial. How the matter go reach trial when the no documents now complete? They now carry the ballistic evidence go show and go prove who shot the man. So however long them take, so them take 10 years to carry that ballistic come. And the ballistic evidence never to come forward. And Mr. Johnson was then in custody of the police. So if we can show the corruption of the system, it's supposed to have a time span too. Where that's supposed to complete and if it's not complete, you need to release the man. And you can't just have a case of so go on, so like a never ending story. We need some justice man, the man need to come out and me put up and then now them put up stone wall against this thing and go like say them are serve and protect. Them need to go serve and protect. And we are legal citizens of the country. So we need justice. Justice is what we need.